English vocabulary words for birds. A bird's mouth is called a beak. Birds' bodies are covered with feathers. And their arms, which they use to fly, are called wings. Birds build nests out of small sticks. They lay their eggs in the nest, and then the eggs hatch, open, and the chicks, baby birds, come out. We have many words in English for the sounds birds make. We can say that birds sing when they are making a musical sound. The words tweet, twitter, cheep, and chirp mean the birds are making short, high sounds. Shriek and cry are used for a very loud, piercing sound made by a bird. And hoot refers to the deep sound made by an owl. Caw refers to the sound made by a crow. The word cluck refers to the short, low sound that a chicken makes. And crow, or cock-a-doodle-doo, is the sound that a rooster makes in the morning. Some birds migrate, fly long distances to an area with a different climate. A group of birds is called a flock. Types of birds. Birds associated with water include duck, goose, swan, and seagull. Birds of prey hunt and eat animals, like the eagle, hawk, owl, and vulture. The vulture is a scavenger. It eats dead animals. Crows and ravens are blackbirds. An ostrich is a large bird with a very long neck. And the male peacock is known for its colorful feathers. A parrot is also colorful and can imitate human speech. The pigeon is often found in cities. And the hummingbird feeds on the nectar inside flowers.
Thank you for watching this video on Kiddopedia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more educational videos for children.